Hello, sister. How are you?
Why are you taking me a picture?
Well, I want to ask you a favor.
What?
The favor that I want to ask you.
What favor? Why are you taking me a picture?
I want to ask you a favor.
What favor?
Sister, do you have 2 rand for me, please? Huh? You don't have, it's fine. It's fine, it's fine. I was just asking for a favor.
Thanks. Rip bronze or rip bronze?
Sorry, my sister. Sorry, sister. Hello. Brother, how are you? You work here?
Sure, brother.
You work here? Oh, okay. I just want to ask you a question. Do you mind to help me with 2 rand? You don't have? You don't have 2 rand?
Yes, we don't carry cash.
Oh, you don't carry cash. But you are going to help me?
Yeah, I was going to help you.
Oh.
I was going to help you.
No, I'm going to help you for the good heart, man. This is for you.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Thanks.
You have a good heart, actually. There's more money.
Thank
Yeah. I love helping people.
Yeah.
So I just see wherever I can, then I help.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, there's still more, bro.
There's still
Thanks
more?
for your kindness, yes.
Oh, okay. Thanks.
There's still more.
Thanks, man.
You are very kind. You are actually very kind. Take my brother.
Thank you.
What's going on? What's going on? You can take my brother. My name is Ali Boy, ne? Ali Boy.
Ali
I
Boy.
help people, yes.
Oh, thank you.
Yes. People are kind. They always deserve to get kindness as
Oh,
well.
thank you. Thanks.
Yes, my brother. There's still more.
Oh, they still.
Yes. You deserve it. You deserve it. There's still more.
Thanks, man.
Yes. Thank you so much. Sure, brother. How are you? I'm sharp. There's more, brother. Take everything.
Everything.
Yeah, take more, brother. There's still more. Yeah, there's still more.
Mr. Adiba.
There's still more for your kindness. You deserve it. Count another 1,000 on this money. Count, yes. Count 1,000.
Count. Be like you are on the road. Keep your score.
Count.
Hey. No, Mr.
Yeah,
Adi
count.
is doing a video here.
Count.
Hey, my friend, so today scored almost.
Count, brother. All of this is yours.
1.2.
All right. Sure, brother. Thank you so much. You must always be kind. Sure. Sorry? Or the perfume?
Yeah.
All right, no problem. All right. Yeah. All right, sure. What's your name? Palisa. Your friend was giving a lot of attitude. What's your name again? Kia. Kia, in life you must always be kind. Huh? It's a good thing to be kind. Palisa, I want you to count 1,000 rand on this one. Count 1,000.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Oh, that's mine. Thanks.
8, 9, 10.
Yes, take for you. That's for you. You can have a shopping, né? You must always be kind, my sister. Next time, né? All right.